Hey guys, this is Julison from the Redfly RC channel. I have here two modified Mirage, completely foam, and I'm just going to give you details about how to set it up in order to have a great experience in your flights. Okay, so first, what it comes with the blend. So it's a completely foam air blend, as you can see here. It comes with two servos, 9 grams. So you have one servo right here and the second one completely linked. Everything's working fine. We have the motor and a prop. Prop is a 6x4. So you have the bottom of the plane. I put it green, but you can have it yellow, whatever color you want. And the top I have it blue. So what you're gonna need to have this plane flying is your transmitter. I use Futaba, but there's many brands. I love Futaba. Your receiver and a battery. The battery recommended for this plane is 1000 milliamps, 3 cells. You can use from 800 to 1300 milliamps. I found 1000 perfect. So let me show you here how the settings go. So you have two doors. Let me open them for you. So the first one is where your battery goes. So you can see the Velcro right here. You can just put the battery in place. You have the connectors. And the second door is where the ESC is and where you have the connections. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So you're gonna have the ESC, which is your throttle. You're gonna put it on channel 3. Right wing on the plane, looking from the top, is gonna go to channel 2. And left wing on the plane is gonna go to channel 1, which is aileron channel 1 and elevator channel 2. Once you have that on, you can just glue your receiver in place. I use hot glue, perfect. Then you can close it. And now you're gonna have your battery. The CG of the plane, I'm gonna show you, that's already predetermined. If you have to change anything, just move your receiver up and down or your battery. So right here, you can see there's one small red line on the wing and then the other side. You literally just put your finger on those lines and then you can see, look, I already have the battery installed, so and the CG is perfectly fine. See, the plane is pretty level. That's what you want to have. A little bit pointing towards the ground. That's what you want to be. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn it on and set the configurations on my radio. You should hear this noise. That means everything's perfect. That's good. Now you go ahead and try out your commands. Elevators, you see, working fine. Ailerons, they're also working fine. So you can go on your radio. I don't know what radio you have, but if you have a Futaba, you press and hold the 2 buttons, or depending on the radio you have, and then you go to elevators, and then you just turn it on. Mine is already on, but you should just turn yours on, and then the settings will be fine. Okay, now what you want to have when you're playing is on the dual rate, which is this coming right here. You can have the settings the way I already have, but like this. Look at the commands. They're going like literally like maybe 10 millimeters. You can have it even lower than that. You can lower them to 5 millimeters. You do that on your radio. Because this plane flying, it's gonna be pretty fast, and you're gonna be surprised how quickly it responds. And if you wanna have a to fly at 3D, you can go ahead and change your commands and give it a little more move. You can go on the dual rate and have it like 140%, and then you have it in whatever, 90, 80, whatever your radio tells you to. Okay, and that's it, guys. Now, how much it costs? It's only $80, and you have everything this besides the radio, receiver, and battery. And that's it. Thank you.